Samsung's getting ready to roll out One UI 8, its next big software update built on top of Android 16. As exciting as that sounds, not all Galaxy users will be celebrating. Some older devices are officially being left behind. While Samsung hasn't released the exact list of supported models just yet, their track record and update policy make it pretty easy to guess who's staying and who's stuck on the sidelines. In case you didn't know, Samsung usually offers 3 years of Android OS updates for its mid-range devices and 4 years for its flagship models. After that, devices might still get security updates, but that's pretty much it. No new features, no fresh UI changes. Based on that, here are the devices most likely not getting One UI 8. Anything older than the Galaxy S21 series, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Flip 3, the Galaxy A72, A32, A13, A03, the Galaxy M33 and F13, and a few tablets like the Galaxy Tab S7 FE and Tab A8. These devices are expected to get One UI 7 based on Android 15 as their final major update. So while they'll still get security patches for a bit, don't expect any more of the fun new stuff. Now, for those with newer phones, One UI 8 sounds pretty sweet. Samsung's bringing in more AI-powered features, better personalization, and smoother app and device integration. If you want in on all that, you'll need to upgrade. Recommended models? Look at the Galaxy S22 series and newer, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and up, and the latest A and M series phones. Samsung's also been busy improving a couple of features that launched with the Galaxy S25. First, there's the log video recording feature. It lets you capture video with a wider dynamic range for editing later. It works in both regular and pro video modes, but in One UI 7, it's limited to the rear cameras. Maybe One UI 8 expands that. And then there's Now Brief, the AI-driven dashboard that gives you quick updates on your day, from the weather to your calendar to news. With One UI 8, you can now tap a button and have those summaries read out loud to you. Pretty handy if you're on the move, or just like a hands-free update. The beta for One UI 8 is expected to kick off in September 2025, with the stable version rolling out in November. Most supported devices should see the update sometime in early 2026. So, what are you hoping to see in One UI 8? Got any wishlist features? Drop your thoughts in the comments and make sure to subscribe for more Samsung and One UI updates. Until next time, peace out.